name is Sarah with the Red Line Ravens. I'm here at Eagle Rider San Francisco BMW Ducati Honda, and today I'm going to show you how easily and quickly it is to repair a tire using this Dyna plug tool. So the first step is to load the plug into the tool, and this stainless steel tube protects the seal on the way in. The brass tip enables you to easily insert the plug into the tire, and this plug expands to seal the hole shut. So what you want to do is wet the tire plug with either water or saliva. You kind of want to pinch the tip so that it can go in pretty easily. So now let's assume that you're on the side of the road when this happens. You're going to want to somehow remove the nail out of the tire. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. You may have one of these in your toolkit. And to kind of just pry the nail out. Just work your way up. You can also use pliers, they're a lot easier. But since most people will probably only have like a flathead, you can just kind of take out the nail like that. Now on an actual tire, air is going to hiss out. Don't let that faze you, that's normal. Generally, in the amount of time it takes you to plug the tire, you're only going to lose like 1 or 2 pounds of pressure. If you find that the hole is too small to puncture with the tool and the plug, you can maybe either use a small Phillips screwdriver or possibly the thing that punctured it in the first place to ream the sides of the hole to make it bigger. So now we're going to take this tool with a plug inside of it and insert it into the same hole. It's going to take a little bit of muscle, but you can do it. Be sure not to twist it, just push it straight through. Okay, so now that it's in, when you pull the tool out, the brass tip will catch on the other side of the tire, plugging the tire from the inside out. The plug will actually expand and seal the hole. So now we just pull the tool out and just pull it straight out. And voila, your tire is plugged. You can see the brass tip is now flush against the inside of the tire. You're going to have this little tail sticking out, but before you cut it off, you want to do a quick bubble test to make sure that there's no extra air leaking out. So because this isn't a full tire, we can't really demonstrate it. However, that's what you would do after you put air in the tire. And then you want to cut it off and make that flush as well. And now your tire's plugged.